So you think your home may have foundation problems, and you want to get it checked out. But you're not sure who you can trust to give you an honest inspection. And if repairs are actually needed, you want the highest quality work at the best possible price. You could call the company you heard about on the radio. But remember, just because you've heard of them doesn't mean they're actually the best. Or you could do some research and read a company's reviews that are listed on the internet's most trusted sites like the Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Google, and Facebook. We think that's a pretty good option because we love our independent, unsolicited reviews. We've earned a reputation as being the most affordable, dependable, and honest foundation company around, and we would love the opportunity to take a look at your home. We'll provide a completely free inspection and, if needed, an estimate for repairs. Then we'll let you decide. No pressure, no gimmicks, and no games. We love our reputation and we love our customers. So give us a call, and in most cases, we'll come out and inspect your home within 24 hours. Fortress Foundation Systems, a reputation of excellence.